It's been a hot minute. Welcome back. Take a look at this. We're going to look at the new Princess Margaret Cottage Lottery. Just launched, and we're going to look at the virtual tour of the second prize, which is in Blue Mountain. But first, I thought, let's look at how it used to look. Boom, this is the land they purchased. So your house is going to be right there on the corner, and that's the view from the front, which is the hill. I wouldn't call it a mountain. That's definitely a hill. And then a little lake view from a corner of your home. But let's take a look in. $2.3 million right away. Lots of windows, lots of natural light coming in, lots of neighbors to stare you down while you're inside. But this is Blue Mountain life, guys. $2.3 million plus you get $50,000 in cash. But off the bat, I really like how much light is coming in. Really, really impressive. And in the winter, that would be even brighter because of the snow. Take a look at this open concept. 3 stools right at the kitchen, but very spaced out, which is nice to see. The table there. Very nice kitchen. It's a chef's kitchen, guys. Now, when they say chef kitchen with the pantry here, it could be Chef Boyardee. They don't really specify, but it's a very nice looking kitchen to me. Look at that. A long hallway all the way. Let's go down to the hallway. We're looking at this for the first time together. There's your garage. Looks like a nice floor on the garage. Well, where are we going? Downstairs into a little nook downstairs. You can have a little games room. So I guess that is the men's club down there. But look at the floor. It's very nice. Just don't back your car into the glass staircase there. Be careful if you win this prize. Look at that. Mudroom. Powder room right there. Perfect sense. And then down this, look at all that wall. You can put nice art down the wall. Look at the book matched, or to call it waterfall, I think book matched, right? Closet cupboard space. Exposed staircase, kind of modern, right? Kind of neat. Let's go up, check out the upstairs. Got a landing right here to chill out, think about life. That picture I would tear down, snap it over my knee. Bedroom number 1. There's 3 bedrooms here. Terra Nova Homes is the builder, and the design is Simple Design Studio. This is giving me a little bit of 80s vibe. Like I like 80s music, but not really an 80s style of a home. Lots of brass there, so yeah, it kind of gives me 80s vibes for some reason. But very nice space in the bedroom. The whole place is 3,812 square feet. This is a very big bedroom here. Mirror on the wall. Check out this ensuite. Got the tub in the back. Yeah, it's giving me 80s vibes, guys. Space is very nice, but I burned that bed. Beds are burning, 80s song. But definitely scrap that kind of look. Look at all the windows on the side here. Crazy. You can roller skate down this hallway again. We're going to go back out this way just to see what we missed, which is the laundry room. There you go. Stackable there. Let's go down again. Very cool space here. So they almost made the staircase a feature of the home, really. It's right in the middle there. There's the front door. So let's take a look at some pictures. mudroom, pantry, just to see if the pictures give us a little something different. Kitchen. Well, the pantry has a little sliding door, it looks like. That's cool. That's good to know. Yes, staircase as an art piece. It's kind of interesting. All right. And living room looks pretty decent. Fireplace. They call it the dramatic fireplace. Not sure why, but it looks basic to me. Very nice price though. Again, if you just came in, $2.3 million worth of Blue Mountain house right here. Or cottage. That's what officially is called. Would you take this prize? Here's a better look at the master ensuite. Or would you want to, I don't know, sell it, rent it out? There it is on that corner I showed you at the beginning, but there it is with the home in it. Looks like we're on top of the hill overlooking the home. So that's our first look. There you go. Look at that. There's that hill that we saw originally with the home on it this time. Pretty cool. 3 bedrooms, fireplace, chef's kitchen, fully furnished, $50,000 in cash. You also get. Would you want this prize? Let me know in the comments.